Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to learn about mline command. Mline is nothing but multi-line command. So if I want to draw a multi-lines at a time, so how we can draw that one with the help of mline command, we can do that one. So first we will learn to draw only two lines. By default, it is going to create only two lines. So when in future class we will learn about how to draw a multi-line command more than two. So by default it is giving us two. So first what I need to do is to get a multi-line. So you can type in the comment box m line or you just type ml, it will work. So what I will do, I will just go with a shortcut. So ml and I will hit enter. When I hit enter, it is asking me specify a start point or justification, scale and style. So first this style we will learn in the future class because it required more time. So because of that reason I was just dealing with respect to scale and your justification. Scale is nothing but, so it is saying that the line between first and the second line, what should be the spacing between these two. So when I hit on the scale or just type here yes, if I hit enter, so it will showing me by default as 1 because I have not set any units like inches or feet or meter or centimeter. So I don't know which by default units it has been set, so I need to cross verify. For that course, just I was hitting here 1 units and I will hit enter. So what I will do, I will go with a justification. If I will working with respect to start a specified point, see here, if I was clicking here, I was getting whether it is top one, bottom one, I don't know. Just it is giving me a point. So because of this reason, what we need to do, we need to go for a justification. So what I need to do here, first I need to type J and I will hit a enter. So when I write J and hit enter, see it is by default bottom it is showing. So for that case it is creating the bottom line. Bottom line is fixed, right? So bottom line is fixed, top line will follow the bottom one. So here the top is there, first case. So if I write here T and enter, you know already shortcut I have told you in the previous lecture also, whatever the blue line indication is there, that is your shortcut for that particular method. So for this case here I got the T in capital and that is in blue color. In some of the lower version AutoCAD it is going to get in the only in the black color. So what they need to do, only they need to follow with respect to capital word, that will be the shortcut for that particular command and hit enter. See here during this course what it is going to do, it will fix the top line and follow the bottom line. So here I am getting the, see here I am getting the line width. So when I hit once again enter, it will come out of command. If I check the dimension between these two lines, it will get 1 units. See here, I was just checking the linear dimension between these two. You can check out here. Here we are getting the 1 units. The same way here, the two more methods are there in multi-line command. You can check out here. So first you need to give the command in command box ML and you just press space or enter. A dial what will call, you are going to get the message at the bottom. So here what I need to do, I need to select the justification. When I hit the justification here again I was getting the same thing. So during this course if I was hitting a 0, it means 0 line will be fixed and 1 is above the line and 1 will be the below the line. It will draw a line for us, and the distance between from center line to the first bottom line is zero point 0.5 and from bottom what we call center line to the top line will be zero point 0.5. You can check out here, Z is the capital letter, so I will write here Z and I will press enter. See, when I was creating, I was getting the two lines, one above the one what you call 0 line above and one 0 line below, right? I was getting n number of case. You can go ahead, you can give the dimension also. For example, if I want to move in a right path, so if I want 10 units of line, then just write 10 and you hit enter, you are going to get the 10 units of line. See, you can draw this one. And again, for example, one more case is there, that is your third case. That third case will be, the third case will be your ML and I will hit enter. Bottom is there. Now I need to do J enter. So now I will go with the bottom. So bottom line will be fixed and top will be following the bottom line. Check out here. top line is drawing. You can check here, this is fixed. You can check here, this side also you are going to get top line, what will call your bottom line will be fixed and top line will following your bottom line, right? This is how you are going to create your multi-line. Where we are going to use, so I can simply say that if you want to draw any what will call polyline structure with more than two lines, then you can go ahead. For example, if you want to do a fast wall thickness, if you know the things, wall dimension and everything, so during those time you can do. See here, simply I will type ml and I will hit the scale. You know the wall thickness as 0.23 for civil engineer, and I will hit enter. See here, I will go with the justification. I will choose any one. I will just take top. See here, if I was moving with respect to what I'll call for example about 9 meter, I will hit 9 and I will hit enter. So this will give me the 9. If this will be the 12 and I will hit enter. See here, and again 9 and again 12. You can check out this, the overall outer boundary line, outer wall it has been constructed for your building. You can draw with the help of your this multi-line command. If you have any doubts or query with respect to multi-line command, you please comment in the section. Definitely I will help you out. So one more method is the style we will discuss in next class or next session. Thank you.